Here's our golf cart. And here's our little this little way from the marina about a mile down. And they like red Whataburger, but we ran out. So,
try and stab one.
Dog wants to stab one, he says. They don't like the pizza, do they? Must have no scent.
Yeah!
Why aren't they doing anything cool? Usually they'll come right up. Alright, there's some.
Put one on there. Come to daddy!
Don't be camera shy.
Come on, you bastards.
Really like fries. Oh, great, we got back ones now.
Up here, we got one here, man.
What's wrong with them?
Oh, this one's thinking about it. He's thinking about it.
He's thinking about it.
He's gonna be the third one. Alright, y'all, one of y'all bastards come up here, you're gonna get all that. Someone take this thing. I'm still here.
Oh my gosh, a dick one. That's a dick one. Oops, it. With my stuff.
Alright,
My shacks. I don't know, let's see. Let's try to get one on the roof.
Wow!
Oh, I almost flew off.
Hey.
Why aren't they going on the roof?
Okay, everything off vaginas.
They don't like
What if I stabbed one like through it? Oh, here comes the animal rescue.
Oh god. Animal rescue.
There's one on there.
Right now?
Yeah, it was.
I like the juice on there.
Ew, look at all this crap in here.
Gosh. Oh, wow! You hear him up there? Alright, I'm gonna go down again. He's thinking about it. He's thinking about it right there.
I just want to see lunch head out to the beach.
Yeah. Oh, there he is! There he is, right there. Alright, should we head out to the beach or what?
Yep.
We got a little mess down there. They'll follow us. That's for dang sure. Can we run some over real quick?
Yeah.
Alright. This is how we do it right here, guys. Oh,
yeah. Last two, got a couple.
Oh, shit. With the bad, nah! Nah! Get down! It's been mangled.
You have to that big into
Alright guys. Behind us. Become part of the pack. Come. Pick up whatever they can pick up. This isn't 1/4 of what we had almost. I don't know.
This is that big one, probably.
You don't want to fall off the nose. Look at them all there. Well, these are some.
It's wild, but you have to stop.
I got one too. On the beach road or about that's Coast Guard. We're about to see some juicy. So we got some following us, but everyone knows. They're probably a little bit full. Look at them. Oh, we got all up over there. Someone already got some stirred up over there. These are straight out of the marina, seagulls.
Yeah, these are about 2 miles from home. We're dragging them all the way to our house.
Yeah, they're really... Oh, you know, like... Kill him? Wait a moment. One of my... We're losing something. Oh, no. What are these people waving there? That's so like that.
They're like old ways. Oh, that'd be on camera.
That's what it is. Naturally. About to get some wound up on the field. Here's the cart. Black mountain. Easy get.
Old girls.
Oh, there's some blackberries, whatever.
Have you ever had this before? I've done, yeah.
No, I'm not.
What time are we at?
6:06.
Are you making part 2?
Probably. It's like pretty fresh fish. Yeah, one day we'll probably make a video of fishing for these. Maybe it's possible fishing for them. We're at the beach. Oh yeah, that's some cheesy ones over there. The races. That's how you fire the races. Here we are. Windy as shit. You probably can't even hear me. Oh yeah, look at them all over there. We got a climb through it. That's a lot of
This thing's been seagull out.
What's that noise?
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Here's some. Lost the one. See right now? Sound coming. Look at them all. Alright, guys. Ah, it flies off. Damn it.
Because whistling. Don't want to.
Oh, he's thinking about it.
Those are pussies.
Oh, there we go. You want to see one coming?
Yeah, bro. What got it?
Damn it. Whoa! Not a shot on me. That's a lot of them.
That's the bird.
Oh no! Get him, Zach! I'm killing it! We got a seagull shot up here. Hey, get! Yow! Yow! Come on! Some intense seagull chasing right there, boys. Yep. Got any more bread in here? Oh, we got some myself.
I got pissed for the porta potty.
Ah! Let's see what we got on the roof. Put that whole thing up.